Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is a break from my normal Sunday cooking videos because I'm just going to do a Christmas video. It's December, well, the day it'll air be the 25th, so Merry Christmas everybody. And I just wanted to show, this is kind of a fun little tour of some of my indoor garden setups and how I decorated them for the holidays. Got a little bunny here, he's playing with a tree. There's a little bear here. He's got the snowball. He's got his bucket of snowballs. And what I did was I took some fairy lights. I bought a 12-pack of fairy lights that are battery operated and kind of put them around my units just for fun. And then I decorated. There's these used double-sided sticky tape to put these little decorative ornaments stuck to it, so each of my units has a little something festive. And I will be back to show you some of the other things I've done. And as you can see, what kind of gave me the fun idea is because I was using diatomaceous earth to combat the aphids that were attacking my plants inside. There's a nice bright Fresno chili pepper there. But I also put the fairy lights on these plants, and it looks kind of festive because it looks like snow because of the diatomaceous earth. So that was kind of funny. Some of these aren't doing great because, again, once I'll beat them back, and then all of a sudden I'll notice they're right back at it again. And so they've really done a number on my lower ones here. There's a lot of dead ones, but I do have a lot of starts that I'll replace them with. So no big deal. Remember, this thing was 5 feet tall. I cut it completely back. Well, that'll be an upcoming video. So you get a sneak preview of things because I'm doing this Christmas video. But, you know, hopefully you'll still enjoy watching the upcoming videos as I'm battling the aphids. There's a little preview of something there. Cool. And that's what I did is I just did little decorations. Little fairy lights. There's a ton of jalapenos there I need to harvest off. I'll be right back. Gave my squirrel friend a little Christmas sack. And again, I kind of had fun with the diatomaceous earth because, you know, I'm gonna vacuum and clean it all up and then, you know, get rid of it. So it's not a big deal. Here's a little candy cane. A little Christmas penguin. Got more fairy lights on these peppers. Again, you can see the diatomaceous earth looks like snow, so it's kind of funny. There is a sleigh with a reindeer. There's our good buddy Santa. Delivering presents to all the indoor gardens. There's a little Christmas house. And a little quick peek at some of the things I'm growing here. Some more fairy lights everywhere. Yeah, this makes it festive and fun. Normally I have Christmas decorations everywhere, but because I've been doing my indoor gardening, they've kind of taken over my man cave where I do all my Christmas decorations. So a Christmas hat for my sprout. It's kind of funny. There's a little duck with a present. There's an elf. He's got a little tree he's kind of trimming up, tending to. Be right back. Again, I got more fairy lights on my experimental shelf. Lots and lots of things growing. There's some of the cuttings I will be transplanting over to the other unit. There's my lemon pepper. It's kind of dying, but you know, I got a good run out of it. Got like 20 peppers off of that thing. So we'll see what happens. There's some more cuttings. There's some Cuban oregano there. There's a pepper there. Again, more of the fairy lights. It's a mint that won't die. There's my spinach strawberry back there. There's my Cuban oregano. My the Cracky versus Airstone experiment's doing well down there. I'll be back. And the final one is my Zoom who I have in the office with fairy lights. I'm doing a time lapse on the progress of this one. As you can see, it's going well. You'll have to look back on the videos to see which thing that is there. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Time lapse is going awesome. Again, this the fairy lights to kind of cheer up the office for the holidays. All right. I wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Stay warm, stay blessed, take care. Have an awesome day.